All right, so we are in lesson 1-1. This is in the Connect Math homework assignment. This is question 4. It says determine the number of degrees for the angle in section B of the pie chart. So we have a pie chart here, and section B is represented by this dark purple shaded area. So it wants to know the angle that is right here. So in a circle, there is a total of 360 degrees. So let me write that down. So my total circle, so any circle, is a total of 360 degrees. This symbol here represents the degree symbol. And the entire pie chart is 360 degrees, but it's divided into A, B, C, D, and E. So we want to know the angle of just section B. And so to find that, we're going to find what section B is. Section B, let me say it like this. Section B of the circle, or the 360, is equal to what angle? So we know that section B, looking at the problem, is 40%. So where did I get that? So let me go back to the problem. And it says here, right here where my mouse is, B, 40%. So this dark purple shaded region is 40%. And so I'm going to take 40% of, the word of means to multiply, 360. So 40% times 360, and I wrote 40% as a decimal. Now, to go from 40% to the decimal, all I need to do is drop the percent sign and then take the decimal that's after the whole number and I move it 2 places to the left. That's where I got the 0.4. So now I put this in my calculator, and when I did that, 0.4 times 360 gives me 144 degrees. And so I'm going to put that in here. They already have the degree symbol for me, so all I need to do is type in 144 here, and then hit check answer, and it will give me a green check mark that I did this right.